If you are experiencing issues programming a thermostat, firstly verify the programming cable. Ensure it is the correct type and connected securely to both the thermostat and the personal computer. Secondly, check the software. Download and install the latest version of the programming software from the manufacturer's website. Thirdly, reset the thermostat. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to reset the thermostat to its factory default settings. Fourthly, test the thermostat. Power off the thermostat, disconnect the programming cable, and reconnect it. Power on the thermostat and verify that it is operating correctly. Fifthly, contact technical support. If you continue to experience issues, contact the thermostat manufacturer's technical support team for assistance. For installation and programming tips, firstly, read the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Before beginning any work, thoroughly review the installation and programming manuals. Secondly, plan the installation location. Select a location where the thermostat will be easily accessible and provide accurate temperature readings. Thirdly, identify the wiring. Use a voltage tester to confirm the identity of the wires before connecting them to the thermostat. Fourthly, follow the wiring diagram. Refer to the diagram provided in the manual to connect the thermostat wires correctly. Fifthly, test the installation. Once the thermostat is wired, power it up and verify that it is functioning properly. Sixthly, program the thermostat. Follow the instructions in the manual to program the thermostat with your desired settings. Seventhly, label the wires. Use wire labels or markers to clearly identify each wire in case of future troubleshooting. Finally, consider hiring a professional. If you are not confident in your ability to install and program the thermostat, consider hiring a qualified electrician or heating, ventilation, and air conditioning technician. When dealing with thermostat wiring, it is crucial to accurately identify each wire before connecting them to the thermostat. Use a voltage tester to confirm the identity of each wire. The common wires found in thermostat wiring include the R wire, which is the power wire, the C wire, which is the common wire, the W wire, which is the heating wire, the Y wire, which is the cooling wire, and the G wire, which is the fan wire. The R wire, or power wire, provides the 24 volts alternating current power to the thermostat. It is usually red in color. The C wire, or common wire, provides a return path for the 24 volts alternating current power. It is often blue or black in color. The W wire, or heating wire, activates the heating system when the thermostat calls for heat. It is typically white in color. The Y wire, or cooling wire, activates the cooling system when the thermostat calls for cooling. It is commonly yellow in color. The G wire, or fan wire, controls the operation of the blower fan. It is usually green in color. Thermostats control heating and cooling systems by opening and closing circuits. These circuits control various components of the heating and cooling system, such as the burner, blower motor, and compressor. There are different types of thermostats, including mechanical thermostats, digital thermostats, and smart thermostats. Mechanical thermostats use a bimetallic strip to sense temperature changes. Digital thermostats use a thermostat or other electronic sensor to measure temperature. Smart thermostats can be controlled remotely using a smartphone or other device. Before installing a thermostat, it is important to turn off the power to the heating and cooling system at the circuit breaker. This will help prevent electrical shock. When connecting the wires to the thermostat, make sure to match the wire colors to the corresponding terminals on the thermostat. If you are unsure about which wire goes where, consult the thermostat wiring diagram. After the thermostat is wired, turn the power back onto the heating and cooling system at the circuit breaker. Then test the thermostat to make sure it is functioning properly. To program a thermostat, follow the instructions in the thermostat's manual. Most thermostats allow you to set different temperatures for different times of the day. This can help you save energy and money. Smart thermostats can also learn your heating and cooling preferences and adjust the temperature automatically. This can further improve energy efficiency. When troubleshooting thermostat problems, start by checking the batteries. If the batteries are low, replace them with new ones. Also, check the wiring connections to make sure they're secure. If the thermostat is not working properly, try resetting it to its factory default settings. If you are still having problems, contact a qualified electrician or heating, ventilation, and air conditioning technician. Regular maintenance can help keep your thermostat working properly. This includes cleaning the thermostat regularly and replacing the batteries as needed. You should also have your heating and cooling system inspected annually by a qualified technician. Thermostat accuracy is essential for maintaining a comfortable and energy-efficient home. Factors affecting thermostat accuracy include placement, calibration, and sensor type. The location of the thermostat significantly impacts its ability to accurately measure the ambient temperature. Avoid placing thermostats in direct sunlight, near drafts, or close to heat-generating appliances. These locations can cause inaccurate readings, leading to inefficient heating and cooling. Thermostats require calibration to ensure they are displaying the correct temperature. Over time, thermostats can drift out of calibration, resulting in inaccurate readings. Some thermostats have built-in calibration features, while others may require manual adjustment. The type of sensor used in a thermostat also affects its accuracy. Bimetallic strip thermostats are less accurate than digital thermostats with thermistors or other electronic sensors. Consider upgrading to a digital thermostat for improved accuracy. Smart thermostats offer advanced features such as remote control, energy monitoring, and learning capabilities. These features can help you save energy and money on your utility bills. Smart thermostats connect to your home's Wi-Fi network, allowing you to control them from your smartphone or other device. You can adjust the temperature, set schedules, and monitor energy usage from anywhere. Some smart thermostats can also learn your heating and cooling preferences and adjust the temperature automatically. This can further improve energy efficiency. When choosing a smart thermostat, consider compatibility with your existing heating and cooling system. Some smart thermostats are not compatible with all systems. Also, consider the features that are important to you, such as remote control, energy monitoring, and learning capabilities. Programmable thermostats allow you to set different temperatures for different times of the day. This can help you save energy and money by reducing heating and cooling when you are away from home or asleep. When programming your thermostat, consider your daily schedule and adjust the temperature accordingly. For example, you can set the thermostat to a low temperature when you are at work and a high temperature when you are home. You can also set different temperatures for weekdays and weekends. Regular maintenance of your thermostat can help ensure it is working properly and accurately. This includes cleaning the thermostat regularly to remove dust and debris. You should also replace the batteries in your thermostat as needed. If your thermostat is not working properly, try resetting it to its factory default settings. This can often resolve minor issues. If you are still having problems, contact a qualified electrician or heating, ventilation, and air conditioning technician. The energy efficiency of your thermostat can have a significant impact on your energy bills. By using a programmable or smart thermostat, you can save energy and money on your utility bills. When choosing a thermostat, look for models that are Energy Star certified. Energy Star certified thermostats have been independently tested and verified to meet strict energy efficiency guidelines. Upgrading to a more energy efficient thermostat can be a cost-effective way to reduce your energy consumption. In addition to choosing an energy-efficient thermostat, there are other things you can do to improve the energy efficiency of your home. These include sealing air leaks, insulating your home properly, and using energy-efficient appliances. Improving the energy efficiency of your home can help you save money on your utility bills and reduce your environmental impact. Thermostat wiring can vary depending on the type of heating and cooling system you have. It is important to consult the thermostat wiring diagram before connecting any wires. If you are unsure about which wire goes where, contact a qualified electrician or heating, ventilation, and air conditioning technician. Incorrect wiring can damage your thermostat and your heating and cooling system. When working with electrical wiring, always turn off the power to the circuit at the circuit breaker. This will help prevent electrical shock. Use a voltage tester to confirm that the power is off before touching any wires. Thermostat troubleshooting can involve a variety of issues, from simple problems like low batteries to more complex problems like faulty wiring. When troubleshooting a thermostat problem, start by checking the batteries. If the batteries are low, replace them with new ones. Also, check the wiring connections to make sure they are secure. If the thermostat is not working properly, try resetting it to its factory default settings. If you are still having problems, consult the thermostat's manual or contact a qualified electrician or heating, ventilation, and air conditioning technician. Thermostat replacement may be necessary if your thermostat is old, damaged, or not working properly. When replacing a thermostat, choose a model that is compatible with your heating and cooling system. Also, consider the features that are important to you, such as programmability, energy efficiency, and remote control. Before replacing a thermostat, turn off the power to the circuit at the circuit breaker. This will help prevent electrical shock. Disconnect the wires from the old thermostat and connect them to the new thermostat following the thermostat wiring diagram. After the new thermostat is wired, turn the power back onto the circuit at the circuit breaker. Then test the thermostat to make sure it is functioning properly. Thermostat settings can be adjusted to optimize your comfort and energy savings. When setting your thermostat, consider your daily schedule and adjust the temperature accordingly. For example, you can set the thermostat to a lower temperature when you are at work and a higher temperature when you are home. You can also set different temperatures for weekdays and weekends. Avoid setting your thermostat too high or too low, as this can waste energy. A good rule of thumb is to set your thermostat to the highest comfortable temperature in the summer and the lowest comfortable temperature in the winter. Consider using a programmable or smart thermostat to automate your thermostat settings. This can help you save energy and money without sacrificing comfort. Thermostat technology is constantly evolving, with new features and capabilities being introduced all the time. Smart thermostats are becoming increasingly popular, offering features such as remote control, energy monitoring, and learning capabilities. Some thermostats can also integrate with other smart home devices such as lighting and security systems. As thermostat technology continues to advance, it is likely that thermostats will become even more energy efficient and user-friendly. Additional resources for thermostat information include thermostat wiring diagrams available online, thermostat programming guides from manufacturers, and troubleshooting tips from various sources. Consulting these resources can help you better understand your thermostat and resolve any issues you may encounter. Remember to always prioritize safety when working with electrical components and consult a professional if you are unsure about any aspect of thermostat installation or repair.